By profession, I'm an aeronautical engineer. I used to train pilots. So the job was very good. The money was also very good. I was training pilots in Dubai. Job pressure was also very good. So I was born in DXN in 2003. The reason why I got into DXN was because of my own health reason. I had a stomach problem for which there was no cure in the modern medicine. My own brother, he's a gastroenterologist, and he diagnosed this problem. No cure in our medicine. You have to take these two medicines just to control your problem. I suffered for 10 years. I went to the operation theater twice to get the endoscopy done. Problem was still there. I tried a lot of natural cure and supplements, many different things. Spent thousands of dollars. Remember, if somebody is in pain, it is not the money. You want to get out of that problem. You want to spend all the money to get out of the problem.